almost 3 months that have now passed since the terrorists brutally gunned down innocent civilians in Pahalgam in Jammu and Kashmir, India has now scored a major decisive diplomatic victory. The US, which is now officially designated the group behind the attack as a terror outfit, where the US has officially designated the Resistance Front as both a foreign terrorist organization and a specially designated global terrorist. Secretary of State Marco Rubio says that this move follows TRF's claim of responsibility for the Pahalgam terror attack initially, which was the deadliest strike on Indian soil since the 2008 Mumbai terror attack. Lashkar-e-Taiba proxy TRF has also carried out multiple attacks and now against the security forces and against civilians as well when it comes to targeted killings. And this designation aims at protecting the US national security and to bolster counter-terrorism efforts to ensure justice for the Pahalgam victims. India, meanwhile, has also welcomed the US State Department's decision, thanking Secretary of State and calling it as a reflection of strong India-US counter-terrorism ties. However, a war of words back home that is now erupted, where Congress has been questioning, will the US decide everything for India when it comes to foreign policy? The BJP hitting back at the critics of India's foreign policy, saying that they should rather reflect and ask why were they politicizing the issue in the first place.
क्या हमारा देश अमेरिका से चलेगा? सीज फायर कब होगा? अमेरिका के राष्ट्रपति बोलेंगे, वाशिंगटन से बोलेंगे। क्या अमेरिका ही हमको बताएगा कि कौन से संगठन को हमें आतंकवादी करना है, कौन से संगठन को नहीं करना है? तो ये भारत की सरकार क्यों फालतू बैठी हुई है? सवाल ये नहीं है। सवाल ये है कि जो 26 बहनों का मांग का सिंदूर उजाड़ा गया है, उनको मारने वाले आतंकी टीआरएफ के हैं या किसके हैं? कहां हैं? ये कहानी रहस्यमय होती चली जा रही है, बिल्कुल वैसी होती जा रही है जैसे एक बार हमारे जवान मारे गए थे। आज तक नहीं पता लगा।
A terrorist organization known to be a front for another terrorist organization conducting terrorist attacks and activities in India and particularly in Kashmir has been designated now as a terrorist organization. Those who were trying to raise questions about it, they stand exposed. Pakistan's role gets exposed. And within our country, all those who are asking what is the action being taken by Narendra Modi ji's government, what is the effect of the diplomatic efforts, they today will have to reflect that their unnecessary comments on foreign policy were not only mistimed, were against national interests, and raises questions whether they should be politicizing such sensitive issues.
Well, meanwhile, others in the opposition are of the opinion that why wait for a Pahalgam-like terror attack to happen? Why wasn't TRF banned in the first place?
देखिए, कोई भी आतंकवादी संगठन हो, चाहे वो कोई सा भी हो, आतंकवादी संगठन के खिलाफ बहुत सख्ती के साथ कार्रवाई होनी चाहिए उसके लिए, लेकिन इच्छा शक्ति, दृढ़ इच्छा शक्ति की जरूरत है। जो कुछ हमारा भी हुआ है, पिछला वाकया घटा है, इतनी कमजोर इच्छा शक्ति के साथ नहीं कि हम किसी के बटन दबाने के ऊपर रुकेंगे। अगर हमने फैसला कर लिया तो फिर दो फाड़ करके हटेंगे। इंदिरा जी की तरह होनी चाहिए इच्छा शक्ति। देश को इंदिरा गांधी की जरूरत है।
बट ये बहुत पहले करना चाहिए था, पूरा वर्ल्ड जानता है। वो सब ऑर्गेनाइजेशन जो ऑर्गेनाइजेशन टेरर फैलाते हैं देश के अंदर, कहीं पर भी वर्ल्ड में कहीं पर भी उनको जैसे कुछ होता है एकदम बैन करना चाहिए। नहीं करना चाहिए था पहलगाम अटैक का वेट। इससे पहले ही मैं कह रहा हूं कि इन सब चीजें जब कोई एक्शन हो जाए, जब कहीं पर मार दिया जाए लोगों को, बेगुनाह लोगों को, उसके बाद बैन करना एक सही चीज नहीं है। ये पॉलिसी सही नहीं है। इसको पहले ही जैसे आपको लगता है कि कहीं पर कोई एक्टिविटी गलत हो रही है, एकदम बैन करना चाहिए पूरे वर्ल्ड के अंदर। वर्ल्ड की नजर होनी चाहिए इसके ऊपर। बट बदनसीबी तो यह है कि यूएसए तो उन्हीं के साथ दोस्ती कर रहा है।
देखिए, जितने भी आतंकी संगठन हैं उन सभी पे प्रतिबंध लगना चाहिए, और ये कहीं ना कहीं एक अच्छा संदेश भी है, एक अच्छा कदम भी है, जिस तरह से पहलगाम हमले के जिम्मेदार आतंकी संगठन को अमेरिका द्वारा प्रतिबंधित किया गया है।
Well, let's get you Pakistan's point of view, because it has now slammed the US decision to designate TRF as a terror outfit. Islamabad's foreign ministry claimed that Pahalgam's attack probe that remains inconclusive and says that linking TRF to the Lashkar-e-Taiba ignores the ground realities. Now, according to Pakistan, the statement further accused India of using such designations against anti-Pakistan propaganda, alleging that the move is aimed at diverting global attention from India's human rights violations. This has now been coming in from Pakistan's side. Of course, not for the first time there, where Pakistan seems to be crying foul. Bhavtosh, good morning. However, when it comes to differences, as far as when it comes to what plays out in the UN, when we speak of the United Nations with regards to the TRF being designated as a terror outfit, US has gone ahead to actually label it as a terror outfit, which Pakistan doesn't seem to agree with.
Well, Pakistan can continue to deny this, but the fact is that there is enough evidence to link Pahalgam terror attack with the TRF, which is nothing but an offshoot of Lashkar-e-Toiba. Remember, TRF came into existence after abrogation of Article 370 in 2019, and it started carrying out killings of non-locals and then subsequently carried out some big attacks. After Pahalgam terror attack, they first claimed the responsibility of it, then retracted that statement. Now, India has enough evidence to prove that it was TRF that was responsible for this dastardly terror attack. And not only they carried out this this macabre terror attack, but also after that killing, the terrorists who are involved in it also, in fact, carried out a celebratory firing that went on for nearly 10 to 15 seconds. Now, there is a witness who said this, and that witness is a protected witness of NIA. NIA has, in fact, recorded a statement of at least 10 to 15 witnesses who were present at the time. As far as India is concerned, India has said that the fact that Department of State has declared TRF as a foreign terrorist organization clearly proves one thing, that it is an offshoot of Lashkar-e-Toiba, that it's a foreign terrorist organization based out of Pakistan, and Pakistan has completely been exposed in this.
Absolutely. We'll talk about as far as when it comes to Pakistan angle is concerned.